Hello everyone, this is How I Love Geometry. I'm Mr. Chao. This problem is from 2019 Aime12 problem number 7. Triangle ABC has side length AB 120 and BC equals 220 and AC equals 180. Line LA, LB and LC are drawn parallel to BC, to AC, and to AB, respectively, such that the intersections of LA, LB, and LC with the interior of triangle ABC are segments of length 55, 45, and 15, respectively. Find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides lie on lines LA, LB, and LC. So I have drawn the scratch diagram. So the problem allows us to find the perimeter of triangle. It has to find the perimeter of triangle PQR. And we know here is 55, 45, and 15. We just need to get the length of PD, PE, and this side, and this side, this side. So the given information gives us a lot of parallel information. So we can, because here a lot of similar triangles, we can use the similar triangles to find the length of what we want to know, right? So first, we know triangle ADI, you see, ADI similar to triangle ABC, right? And also, this triangle PED similar to the triangle IAD, right? And also we got the similarly same thing BEF and GQF, and also this triangle congruent similar to this triangle, right? So okay, let us now we have all the ideas we need to solve. The left was just for calculation. Okay, so we know triangle ADI, DI is 55, and triangle ABC, BC is 220, so 55 over 220, that's 1 to 4, 1/4, right? So AD is 1/4 of AB, so this will be 30. This AD is 30. And so if this is 30, and we want to find, this is 55, right? 55, so how long for ED? We don't know, right? And but now we want to cut a BE. So BE here is 45 over 180, also 1 to 4, right? 1 to 4. So this part BE is 1/4 of BA. So it's also 30. So this is 30, so this is 60. Now we use the triangle, similar triangle. I mean this triangle, right? This triangle is similar to this triangle. So if this is 2 and this is 1, I mean if the ratio between them, ED to DA is 2 to 1, because here is 60, here is 30. So this one PD must be 2 times of DI. So this one is 2 times 55 is 110. Okay, and how can we get this one? We can use this. similar to this one. And we know this is 1 to 4, right? So 1 to 4, so this part is also 1 to 4, right? So that's how much for this one is. This is 45 and this is 100, so 220 over 4, that's 1 over 4, so it's 55. So this is 55. And this is 55 means because this triangle similar to this triangle, so that's 55, the 110, that's 1 to 2. So this is 2 and this is 1. So this side is 45 times 2, so it's 90. Now we got this one, and we know this one. Now we will calculate this, and this one. We will use the same way to do this. And how much for this one? 15 over this is 120. 15 over 120, that's 1 to 8. So if this is 1 and all of them is 8, right? So also we know CH to the CA also 1 to 8. So how much for CH? If CH is X over 180, this one equals, we know this one is 1 to 8. So HC. So HC equals 180 over 8, so is 90 over 4 is 45 over 2. So HC is 45 over 2. Here, this is 45 over 2. And we know this one, this is 1/4 of the total, so it's 2/8, right? And here is 1/8. Here is 1/8. So this one HI will be 5/8 of the total, right? 5/8 of the total is 180. So that's this one. And this is 15. We know this is 15, right? And how long for this one? CG is to the total, it also will be 8 over 200. That's 220 over 8, right? So is 55 divided by 4, 55 over 2. This one is 55 over 2. This is 1/8, and we know this is 1/4, 2/8. So the left one is 5/8 times 220. So that's how much. So we can use like this way. This is divided by 4, that's 45, right? 55 divided by 4, 55. So here is 2, 5 halves times 55. This one, FG. Correct? Now, this one, 55 2, this over this one is like 1 to 5, right? Here is 55 over 2, 55. Oh, that's 1/2, that's 5 halves. So if this is 15, and how long will for this one? 75, right? 15 times 5, because that's 1/2, that's 5 halves. This 15, so it's 75 for this one. And how much for this one? This is 55, and that's 5 halves, 55. If this is 1, so it's 2 to 5. If this is 2, and this one will be 5. So if this is 2, and this will be 5. So that's 2/5 times 45, right? 2/5 times 45. I got this one, and yeah, and we know this one, Now we want to find these two. So what's for this one? So that's divided by 4, that's 45, and here is 2. That's 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. So this one also times 5. This is 1 to this, to this is 1 to 5, like here, the same. So that's 75, right? 15 times this one. And this side, 2/8 times 180. So this is 2/8. Here is 5/8. So it's 2/5. It means this 55 divided by 2, then times 5, right? So that's this one. I mean IR. So finally, we will find all the parameters, right? So that's how much for this one? 110 plus 90 from here, plus 45, and plus here, and plus 2/5 times 45, and plus 75, plus 15, and plus another 75, and plus, which one this? 2/5 times 55, right? This one. Finally, we will plus this 55. So what we will got finally? That's 200, right? And we will got, that's 45 plus, that's 100, and here is 150, and plus 165, and this one, that's 2/5 times how much? 45 plus 55 is 100. So that's 50, so that will be 250. So that's 300, 465, right? 300, 465 plus 250. So that will be 715 done. Yeah, it's a little complicated, but it's not hard. And the main idea of this one, we just use the given machine. Because given information is a lot of about the parallel, so we find a lot of similar triangles, then we find the length we want to know. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Meet you next problem.